Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is a Sunday, June 2nd, 2024. Right now it's 9:31 p.m. And so this is for reviewing the market kind of on Friday. So Friday, I think I should start from like a Thursday night. So after the market close, actually that kind of open kind of a negative, and as you can see it's coming down. So it was coming down, and in some ways, well, it went down to this level and then kind of get the support and it come back, but it had a hard time kind of getting above this another level here, which is kind of like the high of the opening of the future. And by 7 o'clock it kind of dropped down to this kind of like the 2x level, and so it went down here, and later when you get to like the some other important like PC the inflation data release, this is around like 8:30, it has a huge kind of push up and it break above here, and it went all the way up to this level, and it being kind of fluctuating there, and more kind of I would say more like a just kind of going around this level, waiting the open to happen. And the opening is somewhat kind of positive here, and if we look at on the SPX side, and this on the 1 minute chart, it looks kind of positive, but unfortunately that's not really sustainable. It basically, if we look at here, it went above to this well, went above to this 52 53 level, this and then it seems to come back down below this below the middle, and then it keep going down, and especially this green level, it went down, and basically it's really, I don't know, it's kind of really hard to grab on, and you can see the selling is really kind of like a market kind of crashing down. It pushed all the way down to below 5200, and I do feel like everyone feel like, oh my gosh, it's below that level, it's going to probably really bad, and going down will be further to go down. And I personally thought it probably, well, based on the calculation here, is you could possibly go to this 5172 level, and or probably 5183 and 99 level. However, it started coming back, and it's going back about this mid level from the low and the close of yesterday, and basically it keep kind of moving up from there. And this is the middle level of yesterday, 550 to 24, like from the morning, and all the way push it down here. As we can see that it went here, it retraced back down, but it get the strength again and keep pushing. and pushing above this the center of yesterday, and the also push above this opening center, and at the end it moved from it closed at like a 2x away from this center of yesterday. It's a fascinating move, and it's crazy. Now let's look at the future on the future side, and this is some calculation I put together, and an indicator I put together. It seems like it moved in a similar fashion, all these lines. When you look at it, it's but on SPX is even more kind of a conform, and to me it's like a future is a future, and it's a process for SPX, but SPX is the true like a mothership of the market. That's my take on it, and based on I've been kind of monitoring and understanding how market move. That's my take on it. And right now it's like the future already open, and it opened by more than 10 points. Actually at the height here is like about 15 points, and we know that what that means is like that's over 52 like a 90 level. So definitely this looks very positive, and 50 to 90 level, and if it could go further up, let's say it could move about go up by about 20 points, and which is it could be very likely tomorrow open is a gap up tomorrow and open at like around 5300 level, and it's it would be kind of a crazy, and based on based on based on my understanding, it could be let me look at here. So put the smaller one together here. So it's not it. So next week it could possibly go back up, go back to this 5368 level. So this yeah, this is a big kind of a big here. Let me see. I thought I put some line here. I think that the line I have here probably not correct, and hold on, yeah. So yeah, actually, okay, yeah, that's correct. It's it could go back about to push to this 5368. So it's kind of like that means like it will be making new high, and it could even go to 5440. Sounds crazy, but that's probably not going to be that crazy go to there, but 53 68 or 53.78-ish. That's very likely next week going to hit. And next week, the big thing is like the non-farm payroll. In terms of Monday is the seems like the first things in US is not really anything until 10 o'clock, which have the ISM manufacturing data coming out, construction spending, and so this will give us some other information about employment and also the inflation related type like the calendar, the economic data. And then it has like a 11:30 as usual. There's like the bill auctions, treasury bill auctions, and pretty much that's it for Monday. But big thing is already about like a Friday and non-farm payroll. So it probably going to be pretty interesting week next week. And I have to say the closing on for sure. I think we argue that we kind of we disagree on that. Basically like the closing is super strong, and that's in my opinion that's kind of like crazy. Moving back up that much, it's hard to keep up with the speed that the market kind of be able to change so rapidly, and that's really amazing. So that's all I would like to share with everyone. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.